So the next topic is skewness of exponential distribution. Skewness. So skewness formula is it is denoted by beta 1. Beta 1 is equal to, what is the formula? Mu 3 square by mu 2 cube. Right. Now substitute mu 3 and mu 2. What is mu 3? 2 by lambda cube equal to the power of L square is there, square by mu 2. Mu 2 is 1 by lambda square equal to the power of 3. Okay. So what here we are getting? 2 square. 2 square is 4. Lambda into 3 to the power of 2 means 3 into 6 lambda power 6 by 1 by 1 cube is 1 lambda square equal to the power of 3 means here also 6. So lambda power 6. So here 4 by lambda power 6 by 1 by lambda power 6. So both lambda power 6 are gets cancelled, remaining 4. Answer is 4b. So this is greater than 0. After that, gamma 1. What is gamma 1 formula? Square root of beta 1, that is equals to, what is beta 1? 4, that is equals to 2. Right. So the exponential distribution is positively skewed. So after that, kurtosis of exponential distribution. What is the formula? Beta 2 is equals to mu 4 by mu 2 square. Mu 4 by mu 2 square. Mu 4 is 9 by lambda power 4. Mu 2 is 1 by lambda square. 1 by lambda square whole square. So here power 4, here also we are squaring 2 power 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 1 by lambda power 4, 9 by lambda power 4. So lambda power 4, lambda power gets cancelled. Again 9. So it is greater than 3. So gamma 2 is equals to beta 2 minus 3. So what is beta 2? 9 minus 3, that is equals to 6. So 6 means it is more than 3, right? So it is more than 3. So our curve is high range. How to find? This is the curves. This is the normal curve. This is leptokurtic curve, and this is platykurtic curve, right? So our normal curve means beta 2 is equals to 3. We need to get beta 2 is equals to 3. That particular curve is known as normal curve, and the above 3 means here 9 is greater than 3. We are getting 9 value. So here 9 is greater than 3 means our exponential curve is leptokurtic curve. The distribution have the leptokurtic curve. If it is less than 3, it is platykurtic curve, right? So exponential distribution is leptokurtic curve. Okay, right. Next, MGF. MGF are moment generating function of exponential distribution. What is the symbol? Mx of t. Mx of t is equals to expectation of e to the power of tx, right? So integration of e to the power of tx into f of x dx where the limits are 0 to infinity by the definition of exponential e to the power of tx df of x. What is f of x? Lambda into e to the power of minus lambda x dx. Okay, then that is equals to lambda is constant writing outside, so e to the power of tx and e to the power of minus lambda x both are having the bases same, so power should be added tx minus lambda x, okay, dx. So now common term is here x, so lambda integration of e to the power of t minus lambda of x dx. Then it can be written as t minus lambda is there now, so again take common outside, so lambda of integration of e to the power of minus lambda minus t of x dx. Now the limits are 0 to infinity, so that is equals to lambda integration of e to the power of something x value. So what is you are getting? E to the power of minus lambda minus t of x by the without x term is also dividing minus lambda minus t, where the limits are 0 to infinity. Now substitute the limits, so what we are getting? So here this term is, write it outside, this term is writing outside, lambda by minus lambda minus t of, now substitute e to the power of minus lambda minus t of x, so first value is infinity, right? So multiplying with infinity, this term will become also infinity, e to the power of minus infinity minus e to the power of minus 0. So here 0, when we are substituting 0, the total term will become 0, e to the power of minus 0, right? So that is equals to minus of lambda by lambda minus t of e to the power of minus infinity value is 0, e to the power of 0, 0 or minus 0 both are getting the value is 1 only. Okay, so here remaining only minus 1 value, so when we are multiplying minus 1 here, what we are getting? Lambda by lambda minus t. So this is the mgf of exponential distribution, or it can be written as 1 by lambda minus t by lambda. This can be written as 1 by lambda minus t by lambda, that is equals to, will happen lambda by lambda minus t by lambda, when we are separating this lambda by lambda minus t by lambda, so lambda lambda gets cancelled, 1 minus t by lambda remaining, right? So when we are going upside, 1 by t by lambda whole inverse, so this is also mgf of exponential distribution. So next is CHF. CHF means characteristic function. So similarly for MGF process, pi x of t is equals to expectation of e to the power of I t x. In the place of MGF e to the power of tx, we need to change only e to the power of I t x. So same process will be there for characteristic function. So I am writing only directly answer, that is 1 minus I t by lambda whole inverse. Wherever t is there, you need to put it. Same process will be there. So we are getting the answer e to the power of 1 minus it by lambda whole inverse. So next one is CGF. CGF similar kx of t that is equal to log mx of t that is equal to log of mx of t value is 1 minus t by lambda whole inverse. Then log x to the power of inverse value, so power should be come to forward, minus 1 log of 1 minus t by lambda that is equal to minus log of 1 minus t by lambda. So log of 1 minus x formula. So x minus x square by 2 x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 so on terms. So here the x term is 1 minus x means t by lambda is x term. So minus of t by lambda minus t square by 2 lambda square minus t cube by 3 lambda cube minus t power 4 by 4 lambda power 4 so on terms will become. So when now multiply this minus this into inside, take it inside, plus t square by 2 lambda square plus t cube by 3 lambda cube so on. So this is kx of t. So when you compare these terms, writing 4 to 1 4 to the power of lambda 4 4. So when you compare this, we are getting cumulants and also moments. So k1, what is k1 here? The coefficient of t in kx of t, that is 1 by lambda. Next k2, what is k2? Coefficient of t in t square by 2 factorial in kx of t, that is 1 by lambda square. k3, what is k3? Coefficient of t cube by 3 factorial, that is 2 by lambda cube. k4 is coefficient of t in kx of t, that is equals to 6 by lambda power 4 we get. Okay, so this is CGF.